What if I told you people can tell you used AI without even reading a single word? That's right, just by looking at your document's layout. Whether it's a CV, contract, proposal, essay, assignment, or even a love letter, your formatting is out here exposing you. Let me show you how, and how to fix it. 1. Missing or messy cover page. No name, no title, no date? That's not mysterious, that's suspicious. Solution: always include a proper cover page. If you don't know how, we've made a full video on that, go check it out after this. Two, no paragraphs. One giant paragraph like a block of concrete. It's like AI didn't even breathe. Break your work into clear paragraphs. Start new points on a new line and give your reader room to think. Three, inconsistent font party. Mixing fonts and random sizes like you're designing a flyer for a funeral and a party at the same time. Use just one font throughout, stick to something simple like Times New Roman or Arial, size 12, and use one style consistently. Four, no headings or structure. No sections like experience, objective, terms, or even an introduction. That's not a document, that's a wall of text. Solution: use clear headings and subheadings to guide the reader. Your structure matters just as much as the content. Five, no page numbers or alignment. Text leaning to one side, margins off, spacing all over the place, it's layout chaos. Solution: justify your text, use proper spacing, like 1.5 or double, and insert page numbers at the bottom of each page. Six, use of plenty symbols. Your document looks like a cartoon fight scene. Too many random asterisks, dashes, hashtags, or arrows makes it look like your keyboard had a meltdown. Use find and replace to remove unnecessary symbols before you print or submit. Keep it clean and readable. Look, AI might help you write it, but only you can make it look human. Fix your layout, clean your formatting, and make it look like you care. Like the video, hit that subscribe button, and go watch the cover page tutorial if your document still looks confused. This is PRAISETECH Studios. Catch you in the next one. I'm Douglas.